This is WIKO U Pulse, and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store app, then find the Opera through, inputting a name into the search bar like that, then hit the search icon. So here's the Opera. Now tap at the install button over there and wait for the app to be downloaded and installed respectively. So once the app was, installed, you can just go ahead and launch it, and while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you perform a very simple setup procedure. So firstly decide if you would like to set Opera as your default browser, or you can skip the step. And over here you can either customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.